we'll guide you through how to remove a selection in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop and make sure you've got your project loaded up. Selections in Krita can help you isolate parts of your work, but sometimes you need to deselect to move on to the next step. So, let's dive into how you can do that quickly. Look at the top menu bar, and you'll see an option labeled Select. Click on it, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. Here you'll see several options, but the one you want to focus on is Deselect. Simply click on Deselect, and your current selection will be removed. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut for a faster way to remove the selection. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus A on your keyboard, and this will instantly deselect any active selection you have. This shortcut is a real time saver and can speed up your workflow significantly. It's a good idea to get familiar with these shortcuts because they make the creative process smoother. If you ever find that the deselection isn't working, make sure that your selection tool is not active. Sometimes having the selection tool engaged can interfere with deselecting. Just switch back to the brush tool or any other tool and try again. That's pretty much it. Now you know how to remove selections in Krita, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your artwork without any boundaries. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.